are the oils per se. So multi-carotene is an oil, omegas are oils. But there are some other powders that are better if we made a tablet. They are not soluble in oil. So that is why we make tablets. So what I'm going to show you guys how, it's just a quick example in how, this is a exactly machine that Carl Rembrandt used to make his first tablet. So we have it here for demos, and I'm going to use it today with the help of one of you guys to show how the tablets. This is one punch tablet. We here in our facility, we have punch tablets machine that can be one capsule all the way to 56 capsules per minute. So we have different type of equipment, depends on the need and then depends on the research that we are doing. So I'm going to show you guys a little bit. So I don't know who wants to be a volunteer. Who wants to be a volunteer? Who? You don't need to be a volunteer. I can do it for you guys, but if somebody can be a volunteer. So usually you saw our technicians, they were doing weigh up. So what they do usually depends on the type of equipment. They weigh up exactly what we need when we are going to be doing our research. So in this case, we only have exactly the amount that we need for one tablet here.
One tablet.
Mm-hmm. So what we do, if you see, this is a little dirty, but if you see, usually in one part of the tablet you will see the letter, and in the other part of the punch you will see another letter. You know, sometimes you get your tablets and say C or Nutrilite. This is how it is embedded on the samples. So what we do, we just put here this in here. We make sure that it's close. Let me just make sure this is close too. Then you put the material in here. And then let me just open. I need to move it. So what basically we are going to put a lot of force in this equipment, in this device. So it's going to pressure the powder so hard that it's going to compress all the particles in. So remember we were talking about how important for us is to do the extraction and the powders. It's important because of this. Not all the powders can compress. So we need to make sure that we have the right particle size and we have the right type of ingredients that when they bind, they are going to stay together and you don't get a tablet that breaks. Okay. So then I have to move in here. So once we get in here, we are going to put some pressure. So what I'm going to do, again, this is this is exactly how Carl Rembrandt used to do it. So right now we have more modern equipment. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just try to go to 12. I'm going to put pressure, pounds of pressure. Open here. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove here so you guys can see that I have here a tablet. Now I have a tablet here already compressed. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna now do this, and I do this. I'm gonna put it back here. And then very gentle, I'm just gonna push it back. So it's gonna push the capsule out. To the point that it's very loose. And then now I have my capsule.
Wow.
So Well, sometimes when we are trying to find a new formula and we don't know what is the type of ingredients that we want, we usually use a one-punch press because this is a very easy and fast way that we can get if it's compressible, if there's